How to link your WhatsApp account to Meta Business Suite. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily connect your WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite allows creators and businesses to connect their WhatsApp accounts, making it easier to manage messages, automate responses, and interact with customers across different platforms. Here's how you can do it. You can continue on with Meta Business Suite app, or if you don't have the app, you can go with the web version on desktop. Then once you are on Meta Business Suite, make sure you're logged into your business account. After you've done that, you're going to go over to the tools section at the bottom right. Then from there, you can find settings, tap on it, and on your settings, scroll down until you find your page settings. You can find Instagram and WhatsApp here. Tap on connect WhatsApp. You can enter your country code and your phone number here. Now, once you've entered your phone number here, just tap on continue. Make sure your WhatsApp account is also a business account. Now you can review all of your information from here and then tap on continue. Now it's going to send you a verification code on your phone number. Just go ahead and verify that code. And once you have done that, you just follow the on-screen prompts to connect your WhatsApp with your Meta Business Suite. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.